guys our plantain pancake recipe that Dan and I make. It is gluten-free, it is dairy-free, it is nut-free, and it is absolutely delicious. We make it at least once or twice a month. So in the blender here, 2 eggs. This is doubled the recipe. So if you're only gonna make like 1 or 2 pancakes, just split this in half. This is enough for at least 4, maybe 5 pancakes, depending on how big you make them. But so 2 eggs, 2 spoonfuls of almond butter, 2 or 3 dashes of cinnamon. We have half of a Bartlett pear and then half of a green apple already in the blender. And then we're gonna add in 2 plantains. So the fruits and the plantains have already been washed and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to cut this. So you're just gonna cut the end of both of the plantains and then cut them into thirds. And you're just gonna roll it, the skin's gonna roll right off. And when you go to the grocery store and get plantains, they'll usually be green or they'll be slightly yellow like a banana, but you really want to wait until they look like this, very much overly ripe. And you always want to make sure that you're eating your plantain cooked, never raw. I'm going to just add in the last plantain here. Now, if you wanted to, you could also add in some vanilla to make it a little bit sweeter, or add in a date or 2. I did not this time. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And there you go. There's your plantain pancake recipe and your mixture.